Hey guys, Mark the Chef here, and we're back in the kitchen with Mr. Scott from Welcome Home Beef. He's brought in some pre-cooked roast beef from the store. We make an open-faced sandwich. So can you talk to me a little bit more about the roast beef?
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of people, it's summertime and they start seeing fresh vegetables in the farmer's market and that sort of thing. I thought it'd be a great time to show off one of our favorite cuts, which is a nice roasted roast beef. It's very tender, very flavorful, pulls right apart, and we're gonna make a great sandwich today.
Okay, Mr. Scott, the first thing we need to do is when you take this French loaf that I buttered with a little bit of garlic butter, we need to put it in a 350-degree oven until it's golden brown and the butter is all melted in there. So if you'll go do that, I'll start working on this beef. I'm gonna start off by adding a little bit of beef tallow into this pan, just something to coat the beef with and incorporate a little more flavor. And so I'm adding the beef into the pan and cooking it again because I want to get more flavor on it. So our tallow is all melted, I'm gonna add in the beef. Okay, Mr. Scott, this cooks for about 2 minutes. These are building up a nice crust. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in 2 types of cheese.
Okay.
So this is a horseradish cheddar. I'm just gonna sprinkle a couple slices around. I might add a little more if it needs it. And then this is a smoked cheddar.
Looks like it's gonna be good.
I hope so. The bread's done, the beef's done, let's assemble the sandwich.
Smells delicious, let's go.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off by laying a couple tomatoes down. Then we're gonna lay a little bit of lettuce.
All right. Any particular kind of lettuce you like better?
You find something that tastes good and looks good, I say go for it.
Perfect. Now it's starting to look good.
Now it is. The meat's on, the sandwich is assembled. Now let's add a little bit of this balsamic vinaigrette on top.
Okay.
This is just gonna bring a little bit of freshness to the final product. Let's cut it, slice it, and let's try it.
Sounds good.
Man.
That is so freaking good.
That's so good. All the layers of that are delicious. I mean, the lettuce, tomatoes are fresh, really brightens it up. The beef is tender, it is so juicy, and then the cheese in there just brings it all together. It's a complete sandwich.
Yeah, it really is. And you know what? It's affordable too.
Yeah, I'd be happy to eat that anytime. That's delicious.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate
Thank
you
you.
letting us come today.